Punishment for rapists in different countries across the world have strong laws against sexual assault to make their societies a safer place for their women. Rape is considered as one of the most offensive crime a woman can commit. The impact on a rape victim is horrific as it inflicts enduring physical, emotional, and mental wounds on them. They have to suffer mental torture and without any fault of theirs. They are often looked down in society and their life turns into a living hell. But why about the culprit? What should be done to the devil who shatters the soul of the victim? In Bangladesh, the cabinet today approved a proposal seeking to increase the punishment of raping from life imprisonment to death. The president will obedience the armed law according to the local human rights organization. Canada between January and September, the rape cases were reported in Bangladesh, including 208 gang rapes. Meanwhile, after India, life imprisonment to death sentence after the anti-rape bill of April 2013, culprits are liable to life, which are actually 14 imprisonment to entire life, and even the death sentence in the rarest of rare cases. Pakistan death sentence, gang rape, child molestation, and rape are punishable by death, and assault on a woman and international display of her body and the man of girl under especially a gang rape is punishable by death. China death sentence or castration. The sentence for rape in China is death. Castration is also used in some cases. Japan 20 years to life, 20 years for the crime of rape. It is rape or fatal rape at the scene of any other crime like robbery than death penalty. Saudi Arabia beheading within days. The punishment of a rape in Saudi Arabia is a publicly beheading after administering the rapist with a sedative. North Korea death by firing squad. North Korea sentences rapist to death by firing squad. Afghanistan shoot in the head or hang to death. Rapist in Afghanistan are shot in the head within 4 days or hang to death depending on the judgment handed court by the out and court give death by hanging, and that the full all rules and employ the Iran hang to death rapist in are sentenced to death sometimes by hanging out, sometime eligibility also by stoning. USA imprisonment for life. The usual sentence for convicted rapist here depend on whether trial fall under state or federal law. In case under federal law, the punishment can range for a few years to imprisonment the entirety of the rapist's lifespan.